This is going to blow your mind. We're making Cornish pasties at home. Ready to impress? First, grab your ingredients. You'll need flour, butter, potatoes, onions, turnip, and beef. And don't forget salt and pepper. Mix your flour and butter until it looks like breadcrumbs. Add water, and boom, you've got dough. Roll it out nice and thin. Now, chop your veggies and beef into small pieces. Season generously. Pile it all onto the dough. Here comes the fun part. Fold it over and crimp the edges. This seals in all the goodness. Pop them in the oven at 400 degrees F for about 45 minutes. Your kitchen's gonna smell amazing. And there you have it. Golden, flaky, and oh so delicious Cornish pasties. Perfect for any meal or snack time. Try it out and let us know how it goes in the comments. Happy baking!